Hi, I'm Tianxing, and today I'm explaining a geometry problem that many people find hard in class. Okay, so this is the geometry problem that I said I'd explain to you. And the problem says, in the diagram on the right, there is a square with an equilateral triangle inside, and an isosceles triangle pointing down and touching the equilateral triangle. What is the angle X? And so, actually, there's a bunch of information packed into this problem. And so, one of the pieces of information the problem has already given to us and drew it on the picture is that all three sides of the equilateral triangle are equal. And then we see that all four sides of a square are equal. And this side of the square already has one little mark on it. So let's just go on and mark the rest of the sides. And then one angle of the equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. And one angle of a square is 90. And so this little angle right here is 90 minus 60, which is 30. And then you see that these two sides already have little marks on them. And we remember that little marks mean that these sides have the same length. And so this is an isosceles triangle, and therefore these two angles are also the same. And then we only have to note that the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180, and we can subtract 30 from 180 to get 150. And divide that by 2 to find the individual angles. And now we know that each of these angles is 75 degrees. And you can label that one as 75 too. And then we can find X because we know an angle of a square is 90 and this angle is 75. So X is equal to 90 minus 75. Which is 15. And if you want to select an answer in this problem, then you'd select B.